The Opera House. Beautiful, colorful buildings. Let's go to the beach, babe. 2-hour adventure of Nice, and it was truly amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riss, and today we are talking about things you must see and do while in Nice. Let's get into it. So guys, first and foremost, please research free walking tours when you guys travel abroad. One that I really enjoyed was the free walking tour that was led by the Riviera Bar Crawl. Now guys, this is a really great option, especially if you're traveling budget friendly. The tour goes on a tip basis, so you tip accordingly to how you enjoyed your experience. Mine was phenomenal. It was led through the local perspective of a Niçois, a 2-hour adventure of Nice, and it was truly amazing. The tour guide stopped at some really hidden gems and kind of gave us the tea on the land, and it was really great. We learned so much history in such a short time span. We saw so many different landmarks and monuments. The Sun Fountain, located in the very heart of Nice, 5 bronze sculptures in the basin, and Apollo standing tall. Apollo is the Greek god of healing, light, sun, music, and so many other things. Now, it is truly a beautiful sight to see, but it holds so much controversy. Be sure to look up its history. At one point, it was removed from its current standing away to somewhere where it got less traction. Opera House! I just felt like I needed to sing opera. Visit the Opera House. Be sure to look up the show schedule beforehand and get tickets to the show. It's home to Nice's Philharmonic Orchestra and Ballet Company. Nearby is a really amazing chocolate shop where you can get an array of sweets. So good! In the words of Miss Nikki, let's go to the beach, babe. Guys, you have to visit the beach. Like, that's an unspoken thing of Nice. Woo, some of the bluest water I've seen thus far traveling. Beautiful. Now, Nice is home to a lot of private beaches. I visited Blue Beach. The entry was 20 euros. I got a towel, a beach chair, an umbrella, and a waiter all to myself. It was such an amazing experience. The service was divine, quick, fast, and great. And it's not often you get all those things together. And I really felt taken care of. It was so good. The beach had stone rocks, and the water was so clean, gorgeous. Now guys, excuse my French, I may totally butcher this, but you have to visit Colline du Chateau, Castle Hill. Colline du Chateau, Colline. It is exactly what it sounds like, Castle Hill. You have to walk up a huge steep hill. Now, make sure you're wearing some good shoes, but it is absolutely worth the climb. When you get to the top, you get to overlook the entire Bay of Nice. Castle Hill is also referred to as Cradle of the Sun. Now, depending on where you're standing, you can view various highlights of different landscapes of Nice. It used to be a military citadel, but now it's used as a park. Oh, and guys, if the climb is too much, there is an accessible elevator. Now guys, if you've gotten this far, be sure to like and subscribe. The flower market. Now, it's not just your average flower market. There you can get some really great souvenirs, fruits, and other different awesome things. You can even get your hands on some really tasty pastries. Nice is home to so much art. Visit a museum. Old Town. Be sure to walk through Old Town. It is such a beautiful portion of Nice. Less glamorous and modernized, but still so rich and beautiful. Lots of restaurants where you can get some awesome food. Beautiful, colorful buildings. Very Instagrammable. If you're in Nice, you might as well visit nearby cities. Take a day trip to Cannes or Monaco. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these highlights. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my story and how I went to Monaco with a stranger.